It is possible to install a Mego netbook image without any manual steps, just by switching the netbook on. On the laptop left there's a PXE server and the Mego image to be installed. Netbook boots with PXE to custom kernel and uses an init.rd that includes the installer. The server left possesses the Mego image to the netbook. This takes about 5 minutes, we got that part of the video. After the image is installed, the netbook gains access to the actual kernel from the netbook image and boots up. We have a custom testing image that doesn't require input from the user while installing.